Yo, what's going on, guys? We just got off the shoot. For my last vlog, I finished it off when I was gonna go shoot. And I'm doing a little test vlog because we're testing out the new improved normal color profile. As you guys know, the normal color profile on this thing was a little bit too sharp, too crunchy, too HDR looking for a lot of people. And it was one of the complaints that people had about the Action 5. If you shoot D-Log, this does not apply to you. But for those that shoot it in full auto and in normal color profile mode, which is still 10-bit, according to DJI, it's still 10-bit, so you can still manipulate the colors, but you get the benefit of HDR, which means that it recovers a lot more. If you guys can see out here out of my window, this is a high dynamic range situation where I'm inside of my car, it's pretty dark, and then the outside is pretty light. So as you can see, according to the screen right now, it looks like it's exposing everything pretty nice because of that secret sauce or the HDR that DJI puts on with their normal color profile mode. We are recording at 4K 30 frames per second, 4:3 aspect ratio, because 30 frames per second just looks really nice in full auto. It just gives you that nice smooth look. But you guys let me know what you think about the colors on here. This is normal color profile, and then right now I'm going to make a cut, and then I'm going to add my own color grading over this because it is 10-bit. I can still manipulate the colors, but again, the benefits to using normal color profile in full auto mode is because you get that HDR effect where it kind of helps you really expose the image as good as possible. Like, it'll lift up the shadows, it'll decrease, and it does, you know, the whole HDR thing. And the reason why I like this over sometimes using D-Log is because I feel like you just get more color and you get a better kind of dynamic range, even though, like I said, it's HDR, but it looks very good once you grade it because it's still 10-bit. I believe D-Log M is still a baked in look. It's not like really, it's not technically log footage. It's ready to grade, they call it on the description at DJI, you know, for D-Log M. But in Pocket 3, guys, if you guys go back to my Pocket 3, I never shot D-Log on the Pocket 3. I always used normal color profile, and on that one you have two options. You have vivid and you have neutral, and I always kept it on the neutral just because I thought that was, like, you know, the easiest or whatever. It wasn't as strong, or I don't know, for some weird reason I just always kept it on neutral. I don't have an answer for that one, but on this one they don't have that option. You just get normal color 10-bit, and I'm gonna try to use that. I used it for the Pocket 3 because, again, it gave me just better exposure of my image, and when I applied my own sauce to it, it just looks great. It looks beautiful. I actually prefer normal color profile mode when filming on the Pocket 3 for that reason, because I just got that extra, like, dynamic range and all that stuff. So sorry, I'm getting off at an exit. I gotta pick up my mom. We're still house hunting, so we're gonna be gonna go look at a house before I go home and finally have dinner. This shoot has been going on, like, it was just a go, and again, I wasn't able to vlog it. I was trying to, but it's just impossible to vlog while I'm working, or even try to get any footage even behind the scenes. It's almost like I need to hire somebody to do it if I ever wanted to. But anyways, if this normal color profile looks pretty decent, I might just use this instead of D-Log. I'm gonna do a walking around vlog maybe tomorrow and test it out again. Like I said, right now it's kind of a little bit like sunset. You guys can see the orange sun, you know, hitting my face right now. We are having like a gloomy day because all that smoke from Canada is coming up here, so it's kind of like foggy, smoky out here. And it is a little bit darker, so I'm pretty sure the ISO is being cranked up a little bit high on this right now. And it'll just give you a good idea of what the normal color profile is looking like. Like I said, I'm gonna switch right now. This is what normal color profile looks like. And then I'm gonna switch again. I'm gonna make a cut with my own grade over this. And you guys let me know what you think about the colors on grading normal color profile on the Action 5. This is the new update. It's the 1.04 blah 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 blah. We were on 1.03. So again, this update is available right now, and it's supposed to improve the colors on normal color profile mode and that whole HDR look. So anyways, I'll be doing like I said, a walk and talk vlog tomorrow, because there's going to be more color, more trees, more light and stuff like that, so that way we can do some D-Log tests versus the new normal 10-bit color. Anyways, thank you guys. I wanted to make this nice and short. Let me know what you think about this grade on the 10-bit new normal color profile. Peace.